Hello everyone. Hope all are doing well. In today's session, we are going to discuss about National Safety Day observed on 4th of March. So let's see its detailed information. National Safety Day is observed annually on March 4th in India to promote awareness of safety, health and environmental protection, often extending into a week-long campaign until March 11th. Initiated by the National Safety Council of India, abbreviated as NSC, in 1972 to mark its foundation. The day aims to prevent workplace accidents and build a stronger safety culture. This year is particularly special as it marks the 55th National Safety Day and thus the Diamond Jubilee, that is the 60th anniversary of the National Safety Council of India. To celebrate this milestone, the NSC has extended the campaign from a week to an entire month, officially designated as National Safety Month. As we all know, every national and international event is celebrated with a specific theme every year. So this year, the official theme for 2026 campaign is Engage, Educate and Empower People to Enhance Safety. This theme shifts the focus from simple rule following to a proactive culture where every individual is empowered to identify risk and stop unsafe work. You may also see the sub-theme, which is Safety and Well-being, crucial for Viksit Bharat, being used to align safety goals with India's 2047 development vision. Now, let's see some key dates and observances. National Safety Day is observed on the particular day, 4th of March. National Safety Week is observed from 4th of March to March 10th, while National Safety Month is observed from March 4th to entire March, that is 31st March. Now let's see how we can initiate this program or how to participate. If you are at a workplace, school or in a community group, here are some common suggestions or ways to observe this day. You can arrange a safety pledge program, that is, most of the organizations kick off the morning of March 4th by taking the NSC safety pledge in order to commit to accident prevention. Nextly, you can provide safety badges. Wearing the green triangle badge to show solidarity with safety movement. We can arrange competitions, participating in safety poster making, slogan writing or hazard hunt quizzes. We can arrange practical drills as well, conducting fire safety drills, first aid training or emergency evacuation practice. Now, let's focus on core objectives. The campaign promotes the SHE movement, that is, safety, health and environment. Firstly, we need to reduce industrial accidents, targeting sectors like construction, chemicals and manufacturing. Secondly, we need voluntary compliance, thus encouraging industries to go beyond what the law requires. Next is work-life integration. Bringing safety culture home, example like electrical safety in kitchens, road safety for families. Inclusions, reaching out to the unorganized sector and MSMEs that often lack formal safety departments. Let's conclude today's session with a quick safety tip. Since we are heading into National Safety Month, take a moment today to check one hidden safety item in your environment, like the expiry date on a kitchen fire extinguisher or the trade wear on your vehicle's tires. Prevention is always quieter and cheaper than a cure. We often think of accidents as fate, but most are simply the result of a moment's haste. Today, let's choose patience over speed and precautions over shortcuts. Your life and the lives of those around you are far too precious to be sacrificed for a few seconds of convenience. Let's make every day Safety Day. Stay alert, stay safe, and look out for one another. Thank you for being connected.